quick video here for you guys. Just wanted to answer some questions that I had in the comments about the LED lights and what type of drivers and what type of diodes and what wattage and stuff like that. So I just wanted to do a quick video here and put it out. Hope you find this information helpful and useful. So the LEDs we're using on these lights are Bridgelux. These are the second generation 4-foot strips. They also have a third generation, but for the price and the performance of the second generation, this was definitely the best bang for their buck. They're a little less efficient than the third generation, but not by much. And if you compare the price, you can't beat it. We basically use 12 4-foot strips on 2 pieces of slate aluminum. Connected them with some C-channel aluminum, and we're using a HLG 600 watt LED driver. Basic setup, we have them spaced about 18 inches apart. The light is 2 feet wide by 46 inches long. So it's very effective in a 4x4 area. So if you have like a 4x4 tank or something like that, this light works perfect. You even have to dim it down because for 600 watt it's just a little bit too powerful. But me, I like to run my things at a high power, so I need that power. Also with this light, it's designed to be hang pretty high. So if you hang it like at 2 feet from the top of your canopy, in my opinion, that's the optimal height to hang it at. You get your best spread there. You could also hang it at like 18 inches, but in my opinion on that, you get a more hot spot in the middle, and your ends you get like around 600 power, which is still workable, but I just like my ends as high as possible. We had a really good test run with these lights, and I'm 100% positive that they could really produce. We also built this one here as well. This was something different. I built this to run at a lower hanging height, but it really exceeded my expectations. So yeah, this is just to show you could build some high performing LED grow lights for a fraction of the price of what you're gonna pay to get like those top quality lights. You're gonna get the same performance, same durability and everything. And it's something that you get to design yourself to suit whatever growing space you have. We're also gonna have in the near future some DIY LED kits for sale. So just stay tuned for that. And you know what to do. DIY, grow it yourself.